You just replace a bad thermostat and you notice that the temperature of your engine starts rising again and again. And you check around, there is no leak, the coolant is okay, but yet the engine is overheating. So the question is, what went wrong? Tell me in the comment section if you have ever experienced this. You change a bad thermostat and your engine start overheating. I know majority of us will think after replacing a thermostat the overheating is supposed to stop. Yes, you are right, overheating is supposed to stop, but there is this secret that I'm going to tell you, and the problem is airlocks. Airlocks. What is airlocks? An airlock is simply trapped air inside your cooling system. When air is trapped inside your cooling system, and how does it get there? This usually happens when you are about to remove your thermostat. You drain your coolant and you remove other components, and in between while you are doing this, air has entered the thermos air has entered your cooling system, and when air get into your cooling system, that is the problem. So this usually happen during thermostat installation. But how can you stay free from air trap? What should you do? That is where jiggle valve comes in. Jiggle valve, you need to position your jiggle valve properly. It is not a decoration. Correctly, if you position your jiggle valve correctly, then you will not have air trap. That is why the jiggle valve was there. The jiggle valve is not a decoration, rather it is there for you to bleed your system, to bleed your cooling system, so that it will be free from air lock. So what should you do during replacement of your thermostat? One, you need to position the jiggle valve correctly, then you fill the coolant, then you bleed the system. There are some engine that has bleeding position, but if you don't have bleeding position, be sure that your jiggle valve will do that for you. Then watch out for bubble, ensure that it totally escape, then you turn on the heater, let the engine reach operating temperature, then you will not see overheating. If you ignore air locks during the process, this is what will happen. You are going to experience overheating, then you're going to have blown head gasket or warp cylinder head. So air lock can cost you a lot of money. So while replacing your thermostat, pay attention to your air lock, and this is going to help you when you pay attention to your jiggle valve. So don't forget the position of your jiggle valve. It should be at the upper side. Watch the video below where I explain the position of your jiggle valve. It should be at up, not down. That is the position for you to avoid air lock after thermostat replacement. See you in another video.